How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? My name is James. How old are you? I am 23-year-old. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is orange. Are you married? No, I am not married.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Atomic Habits.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am more of a night owl.
What is your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Japan.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite childhood memory is going camping with my family.